More Outland models, keeping us busy. Subscribe, like, comment. Conveyances, cars, trucks and tractors. What a mess to figure out. Yeah, kinda boring, but it keeps Mama busy and stops her from worrying about life, the universe and everything. What will we find in here? Just some industrial buildings, so people can work. Well, not that anyone cares, but I'm gonna tell you anyways. Mom was in such a hurry to order these, she accidentally ordered the scale. So what to do? Sending him back to China. What a pain. So the warehouse is going to be a garage or shed. And as for the bridges, she ordered 4 of them. The bridges are now going to be one-way country bridges. Or she can put it together for a 2-way bridge over troubled water. More houses, gonna get crowded here. Will this ever stop? Missing a part, just improvise. Telephone poles are expensive. My telephone poles in progress. Fence T-poles and railroad ties. I heard once build and they will come. More small stuff. What gets boiled in a boiler? Kit came with grass and hay. Cows are an industry. Adios amigos.